In this Ceratag NFC Pro Series tutorial, we're going to be covering how to encode multiple NFC tags with unique data using an Android phone. Let's quickly explain why you might need to do this. Now, with single NFC encoding, each tag will contain the same data. With unique encoding, each tag contains different data, unique to that tag. This is typically used for tracking individual tag scans or tag-by-tag redirection management. In this tutorial, we're going to be using NXP's TagWriter app for Android, and we're going to generate the links and the encoding file from our XKO tag management platform. This will generate a list of unique URLs and allow us to modify the destinations later. So we've set up an XKO Lite account to generate the tag data. We're going to add 5 new unique tag slots, all redirecting through to ceratag.com. This will create 5 new unique URLs for encoding. We click Add Tag, enter a tag name using a sequence shortcode to automatically create a numeric sequence on the names, enter the destination URL as ceratag.com, update tag quantity to 5 and generate. This gives us our 5 new tag slots and 5 new unique XKO tag IDs. We'll then go through to tag data and download our encoding file in the TagWriter format. This will generate the CSV file that we can use for encoding. If you aren't using the XKO platform, then the CSV format is the same, but you'll just need to create the file yourself. The first 7 columns are required for TagWriter. The last 2 are generated by the XKO platform for your information, and we'll need to delete those before we use this file. As we created this file on our desktop, we'll now transfer it to our phone. If you are using Google Drive, OneDrive or similar, then you can use those, or just simply email the file to yourself. We've opened TagWriter on our Android phone. Select Write Tags and Write from CSV. Select the file by holding your finger down on it for a moment. You should then see the first encoding data and how many tags you are about to encode. We're going to uncheck Confirm Overwrite, so it's quicker to do the encoding. We'd suggest that you don't encode the tags off the reel, as there's a risk that you will accidentally encode the wrong tag because they can be so close together. This is particularly important if you're using smaller stickers such as these Midas tags. Make life easy for yourself and chop the tags into singles. We're going to be encoding some 29mm white NFC tags, and to visually identify each one, we've just marked the back of the liner with a Sharpie. We'll now start encoding one tag at a time. Once this process is finished, you now need to consider locking your tags. A quick recap of the locking rules. If you lock your tags, nobody can change your data, even you. If you leave your tags unlocked, anyone can change the data. If the tags are going in a public space, lock them. To lock your tags with TagWriter, select Protect Tags, Lock Tag, and then lock them one by one. Now, as locking means that you can never change the data, we'd always suggest checking the tag scan first. Remember, you can re-encode the tags as many times as you like, so if you scan and it's not right, you can always re-encode. And that's unique encoding. Thanks for watching and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials.